Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a few shortcut keys that's good to remember when working with TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's go have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on working with shortcuts or shortcut keys, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. This will, however, be the last video of this mini series on working with shortcuts, so thank you guys for following along. So just a quick disclaimer, this is my personal preference of which shortcut keys is good to remember and to memorize. And it will obviously vary depending on your workflow. So for me, under the file menu, I like to, it's actually pretty much just one, you can say, which is save, Control S. You can try memorize maybe save as, but this program, it does not have it, which is Control Shift S. So for me personally, from file, it'll be Control S. And under the edit menu, most of these are actually I would recommend getting familiar with. So undo, Control Z, definitely. It's maybe one of the most used shortcuts. Second to save. Redo is good because then if you undo too far, you know how to quickly redo, but it's not as important as undoing itself. Then I would definitely say cut, copy, paste, and delete, seeing that these are universal throughout most programs. So if you get familiar with this, then any program you work in just about, it will be the same. Then select all is also in this program quite a universal one, Control A. Then when it comes to the actual tools, mine unfortunately doesn't work correctly. So if it did, I would definitely say select. It's one of them. And then the ones from mine that does work, I would say easily rectangle, ellipse, and the text tool. So yeah, that is from the actual shortcuts. When it comes to like kind of combination of hotkeys for your user interface, definitely your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Just keep in mind it zooms relative to where your cursor is, or your crosshair, I'm not sure what you call it. And then the middle mouse button to pan around. It is a bit buggy, however, in my opinion. As you can see, you pan and then you pan a bit again, it'll only adjust where you were last. Otherwise, just use these buttons. But yeah, so just a quick recap. So on the file, it will be save. On the edit, it will be pretty much all of the top ones, maybe select all. Then under the, apologies, under the actual tools, select rectangle, the ellipse, and the text tool, I would say is good ones to remember. And then under your actual user, for the design area, the user interface, your middle click for panning, and the zoom in and out with your mouse wheel. Otherwise, yeah, that concludes our little mini series. Thank you guys for following. And then if you guys head to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice there we have a variety of different softwares we normally cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.